Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for checking us out. I hope you hit that subscribe button and stick around because we want to grow the makeup community to be a really fun, positive, safe place to talk about all things makeup. My name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that is caused by Parkinson's syndrome, which is defined as genetic early onset Parkinson's. And that was part of the reason why I started the channel. I wanted to show that just because you have some challenges doesn't mean you have to give up what you know and love. And makeup is for everybody. It is for every skin tone, every gender, every income level, every ability, and every disability. So happy Valentine's Day. I'm sorry it's taken me this long to do a January wrap up. I decided this year that I wanted to kind of do a retrospective of the previous month, and I didn't realize it was going to take me 2 weeks to get it done. I'm so sorry. Excuse me. I am getting over my cold, so yeah, it took me a little bit to get this done, but hey, we are here. Let's take a look at the products that I reviewed in January. Got, a little more testing time with them and can give you a better idea of what I think. So they're just random. They're not in any order or any list. I just have a table full of goodies here. So let's start with the Dose of Colors liners. So they came out with new liners, lip liner and eyeliner, and I still love these. They are so smooth. They go on beautifully. Love these. Got these in an Ulta haul. So happy I got them. Really like those. Now I did the whole face on Milani as like, super testing the products. And as I've gone on, the powder and the blush have become staples. I am absolutely in love with the powder and the blush. The eyeshadows are also good. The only issue is I just don't grab for them. That's it, because I have so many eyeshadow palettes. That's the only issue that I found is, oh wait, I haven't been grabbing for it. But they are really pretty and I really like them. The highlighters also really nice, but I haven't been grabbing for it just because I have a lot of them. So, I really like it. Now this is the glitter eyeshadow that I was finding glitter particles on my face for the next 2 days. No, not for me. Not for me. My sister's already claimed it, and it will happily go to her. But not for me. Not for me. Yeah. Foundation and the concealer I'm still loving. So the Conceal and Perfect line, really nice. They just came out with a ton of new shades in the concealers. They have a nice range of, shades for the foundation. Really like those. And then the lip products, they're okay. Now, I didn't try a liquid lipstick. Maybe the liquid lipstick is longer lasting, but the bullet lipstick, it just didn't last for me at all. And the lip gloss is nice. It's gloss. It's, it's gloss. So that's all right. Another brand that I tried for the first time in January is Makeup Geek, and I love it. I love them. I'm super excited. They're coming out into Target stores. I actually ordered it so I could give you guys, a look at the entire ordering process through Makeup Geek. They are coming out. Marlena said that they are coming out with all new stuff. Super excited about it. Let me tell you, these lipsticks are great. Love these lipsticks. Oh my gosh. And I know that these are going to be sold at Target. And then the highlighter, super, super, super pretty. That is a gorgeous highlighter. Just beautiful. And the eyeshadows blend easily. Not a lot of fallout. Really pigmented. Very, very nice. So Makeup Geek, everything I tried from them, super, super happy. The Roller Lash liquid liner. Now, it's good. Don't get me wrong, it's good. I just have to have a really low tremor day to be able to use it. That's just because the tip is so flexible and so, I don't know, brush-like. Like, you know, not stiff enough, that it's really easy to kind of, I don't know, it's really easy for me to lose control. And that's just because of the tremors. I mean, the ink, it's very well inked, you know, it's really nice. Just after further use of it, it's not tremor friendly. So, this is probably going to go to somebody, you know, my friends or family who don't mind that, you know, I've used it on my eyes. But for anybody else, I think it'd be really great. And then, since we're on the eyes, let's talk about the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I love this. Absolutely love this. Now, it does have a brush on the end of the tip, a stiff brush here. I love it. Now, it does have, it puts a lot out. So what I do is I take my brush and get it off of this brush to apply, but it cancels everything else out. I really like it. The price point on it is great. Love it. Oh my gosh, I have got so many eyeshadow palettes. The Kat Von D Shade and Light. Loved it. You know, got a really good deal on it. I think it is worth getting at Marshall's or TJ Maxx. Now, I am actually going to give this away to a friend who really needs a good neutral matte palette. I have so many of them. I mean, I cannot keep everything that I get. Otherwise, I mean, I'm not going to be able to use it all. And I would rather them go someplace where they're going to be loved and used, you know, than to sit there and go, I have so much makeup. You know, I have this huge collection and not be able to use them. I hope that makes sense. I would rather it be loved. So this is going to go to my friend, but let me tell you, this is really good. Another thing that I already gave away is the Fenty Beauty Concealer. And the only reason why I gave that away is because it was too light. And that's operator error. But I have been grabbing for the powder. I love it. And I am going to be getting a concealer in my shade. These are amazing products. Really like those. The Marc Jacobs eyeshadow kit in Iconic, or Flamboyant. Look at that. I forgot to pull out the lipstick. The lipstick I'm still using, you know, it's like in my purse. The one that I got with this. But I love this, guys. The Marc Jacobs eyeshadows are freaking amazing. In love. Another eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh. Now, this one's going to my sister. This is the NARS Skin Deep palette. I love this palette. I just have a lot of these colors in there. But, oh my gosh, I mean, you got your warm, your cools, your, you know, just neutral. It's just a great, this is a really great palette. I love this palette. I'm glad that I got it to review for you guys. If you want to see in-depth reviews for any of this, all the videos, you know, are in January. Go under my channel and check them out. So my sister put dibs on this, so I am actually going to give that to her, but I love it. Something that I will not give away, and they will have to pry out of my cold dead hands, is the new Fenty Gloss Bomb, this pink. Oh my gosh, I love this. I am in love. I didn't think I could love anything as much as the original Gloss Bomb. I just had to snort it a little bit. Oh, it smells so good. I love this lip gloss. I will keep using this lip gloss and loving it and petting it and snorting it because it is so good. Oh, I know people are saying, you know, I even say lip gloss is lip gloss, but oh, this is not. I love it. Speaking of lip glosses, we got the Wet Cherry from Lime Crime. Let me tell you, I love these. They are really great. I love the cherry slime. I love this one. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this one. I think the only one that I'm actually going to give away is the white cherry, and that's just because it doesn't look good on me. And since I'm not going to, I mean, it looks okay. I don't want to say it doesn't look good. It's just not up my alley. It's a little too neutrally for me. So I'm going to rehome that one. But I love these, and I'm really looking forward to trying more Lime Crime lip products. And so I did the lipsticks. I think actually I did the lippies, the Lime Crime and the Becca in February and not January. Oops, that's okay. You know what? January, February, doesn't matter. Love them. I love these. These dry down beautifully. It's what I'm wearing right now. And they dry down comfortably and they last a very long time. So for somebody like me with tremors where liquid lipsticks don't really work all that great for me, these are perfect. So if you're not a liquid lipstick fan and you want a long wearing lip, try these out. I really like them. All right, L'Oreal Infallible. The new Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation and the Full Wear Concealer. I love these. These are really great. I've been using the foundation and concealer more, and I really like it. I mean, the foundation is really thin, but it covers really beautifully. Really, really like these. Morphe. First of all, if you guys have not seen when I tried to review this, check it out. I'm too scared to pass this on to anybody. I'm scared that they're going to have a reaction like I did to the foundation. So I don't know. I think this is just going to go in the drawer to pull out every once in a while if somebody, I don't know. I wouldn't even put it on if somebody asked me about it. Yeah, so I think this is going to go. Now, I did play with the primer some more, and it didn't do anything special. It didn't do anything fantastic. It didn't seem to even anything out. It didn't seem to moisturize, which is what this one was supposed to do, the revitalizer. It didn't do anything, honestly. I mean, you might as well have, I might as well have gotten like a $2, primer. It really didn't do it for me. Now, I was really excited about the concealer because the finish looked really good. I did not have any kind of reaction to it. I like the wear of it, or the look of it, but it's the wear of it that I didn't like. It did crease quite a bit when I tried it again, and then I was like, well, maybe I didn't set it right, and it did the same thing. So it does crease a lot. Now, when you first put it on, it's gorgeous. When you first put it on, it is like, the finish is just absolutely beautiful, but it just ended up being the creasiest mess. I was so super excited, man. Like, I was so excited to be, I even got expedited shipping because I wanted to be one of the first small creators to get a really honest, opinion out there. And then it just, if you guys haven't seen that video, check it out because it made my face, it was red and splotchy and burned. So now I'm not saying that everybody's going to have that kind of reaction. I'm just saying that was mine. But when I tested out the other products, the primer some more, it wasn't good. And the concealer turned into a big creasy mess. So yeah, those were duds. Sorry guys, they were duds. Some things that were not January duds. ColourPop palettes. The Chasing Rainbows, Rendezvous, and Sweet Nothings. And you guys know I like ColourPop. They are wallet friendly, but they are also beautiful. They blend easily, and so, you know, I think blending easily is important for anybody, not just trimmers, people with trimmers. But they are beautiful. I love ColourPop eyeshadows. Look at those. Oh, you can have so much fun with these. Love them. And then I had never heard of Chi Chi Cosmetics until I got the request because they're Australian. And I am so happy that I got the request for these. I love these. If you look at the pants, they are so messy because I've been wearing them and playing with them. Yeah, I'm not one of those that can keep everything looking all pretty and perfect. I'm like, you can tell when I use something. Sorry. But these are so great. I really like them. I mean, this colorful palette. Now, you can tell I don't use this one as much, but you can tell which colors I have been dipping in. I really hope that they come to the U.S. soon. I really do. Because the price point on these ended up being really nice. And I really, really like these. So, fingers crossed they come to the U.S. soon. So, last but not least, this video I have gotten over 1,500 views on is the Lime Crime Venus XL palette. Guys, this is in my top 5 favorite palettes ever, like, of what I've gotten so far. This is in the top 5. I love this palette. I have been able to do so much with it. Every single shadow in here, you know, the worst thing I can say about it is some of them don't show up as pigmented as I thought they would, but they build. So I got to keep in mind some of them were meant to go on, you know, as a topper or change, you know, the colors. But guys, this is so beautiful. I love it. I love, 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 love it. So that's it, guys. You know, whether you have plans to celebrate Valentine's Day or not, if you are in a couple, if you're not in a couple, you know, whatever, just have a grand, wonderful day. And you know what just dawned on me? I'm not going to be posting this on Valentine's Day. I'm going to be posting this the day after Valentine's Day. All right, you know what, guys? I'm so sorry. I hope everybody had a good Valentine's Day. Oh my gosh. I'm going to keep it in. I'm going to keep it in. Screw it. I'm not going to edit that out. I'm keeping the Valentine's Day thing in. I'm just so used to doing Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. And, you know, so I'm like, hey, Thursday, it's Valentine's Day. Oh my gosh, you guys. Why do you put up with me? Why do you put up with me? I'm such a mess. All right, guys, that'll do it for today. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We want to grow the makeup community to, you know, be this really great place where everybody talks about makeup and, you know, just have fun. All right, guys, I'll talk to you down in the comments section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.